part of the new 60-second series here on YouTube. Today is going to be gear review. We're looking at the St Croix Premier and a Penn 3000 series spinning reel. For finesse, Ned rigging, it's going to be a St Croix PS66 MLF, 6'6", medium light power, fast action graphite rod, paired up with a Penn Pursuit IV 3000 series spinning reel. Here's the first bass, largemouth, on the St Croix Penn Ned Rig combo. First fish, and it's a 19-inch largemouth, probably a 3.5-4 pounder at least. Let's get him back. See you later, buddy.